Moving on to the center pieces. This is all OEM. It's never been painted. Let's take a look at the back. It doesn't really follow anything. Kind of masked off a little funny. We'll flip it over and we'll get some measurements. Noticing that the R starts right there. And then there's hardly any space there. Just barely any space right there. It kind of only fits in one spot. So we'll get some measurements on the rest of it. This here is all decal. This blue is decal. This is paint. The decals that you get aftermarket, this is separate from the red. So we got a way to kind of fix that to make it look more OEM. I want to show a little trick that I do with these. This is a factory decal. That blue and orange are seamless. They're all part of one. On the aftermarket ones, this and this is separate. You can kind of see that color's off a little bit. They usually put it on and probably mask off to it and go to here. Before I take the decals off, I mark that line there. And what I'm going to do is paint the blue all the way up to here. And then I'll put the orange decal on. It'll show me exactly where it goes. That leaves the blue. I always have a couple blank decals. That way when I go to do this, I can hold them up. I can always check my spacing. See, and that part will be painted blue. That way I don't have to put a decal on there later. Wanted to show something quick. How crazy is this? This piece has been painted. This is the original. They got the white and the blue mixed up 100%. Where this is supposed to be white and the bottom's supposed to be blue. On this one, the bottom is white and the top is blue. I imagine that didn't look pretty good when they went to put that on. The red decal is 3 inches, measuring from there. Measurement from here to here is 2 inches and a quarter. From the bottom up, it's 3 3/8. At the back, it's 4 1/8. The blue starts and hugs that line right there in front of that hole. With the tape measure butted up against there, the blue's 5 3/4. Measuring from this tip down to where the red starts is 9 3/4. Measuring right along with the fairing bolt hole to the top of the red is 6 inches. I just peeled this back a little bit. I want to show you. This is the way you can tell if this is an OEM decal or not. The edge has a little bit of blue on the OEMs. I peeled it back a little bit. You can see the blue up on it. This is the left side. The measurements are all the same. I just want to show where the Cbr decal starts. It's cut right around that first one. And then you got to cut into the R a little bit. I want to just show you something. I'm starting to mask all this off. I got this lined up. That probably doesn't look correct, how this goes past it, and that'll be white there. But that's actually how it was from the factory. As soon as it dries, we're gonna start clearing. So here's the piece all done. That's what I was talking about, using paint there instead of a decal. That way this and this matches perfect. That actually matches this perfect too. That fits up like that, and everything matches 100%.